ready to transform your text into powerful visual statements that grab attention. Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and learn how to craft bold typography with impactful shadows, enhancing your designs. First, start by creating a new document with your desired dimensions. Select the Type tool from the toolbar, and click on your artboard to begin typing your text. Choose a word or phrase that reflects your design's message. Now, the key is selecting a strong font. Browse through your fonts and find one that reflects the message you want to communicate. Thicker, bolder fonts normally work best for this effect. If you have a specific mood, then use a font that fits it. Adjust the font size in the character panel, making sure it's large enough to be visually striking. Experiment to see what works. Now, duplicate your text by copying and pasting it. This will be the basis for the shadow. Change the color of one of the text layers. Black or a dark color usually works well for shadows. Select the shadow text and slightly offset it, both horizontally and vertically, to create the illusion of depth. This is where the shadow starts to take shape. You can duplicate the shadow layer to make it even more prominent. Go back to your original text layer and tweak the color if needed to ensure a clear contrast. Try exploring different color schemes. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and shadow offsets to achieve the perfect look. And there you have it, impactful typography that's impossible to ignore.